Alright, in this lesson we're going to talk about solutions. So what a solution is, it's a homogeneous mixture, and this part is important, that it's homogeneous, meaning that it's all uniform, it's all mixed together evenly. So it's a homogeneous mixture, and we've talked about what mixtures are before, just two different substances mixed together that are not chemically combined but are just physically combined, of substances dispersed in a single phase. So this is important too, that it's a single phase. So if we have, let's say, sand that gets mixed into water, but it doesn't become a single phase. We would still have the water and then the sand particles. Like if you ever go to the beach and you've seen water with sand in it, it's still solid sand particles that you can see in the water. That's not a single phase. We've got a solid and a liquid there. So a good example of a solution would be salt water, because salt you can dissolve into water. So this concept of dissolving means that basically we're mixing it in, and it's becoming a single phase. So salt water is a solution, but sand water would not be a solution. So basically, if the salt dissolves in here, you can't see the salt anymore. It becomes just looks like water, but really the salt is in there. It's just dissolved. So the two important parts of a solution are the solvent and the solute. So the solvent is usually a liquid that takes the solute into it, takes the stuff that we're mixing in. So the main part of the mixture, so in this case water would be the solvent, and it's usually a liquid. There are other types of solutions like that are all gases or a gas mixed into liquid, but usually the solvent is going to be a liquid. So the solute is what gets mixed into the solvent. So what is dissolved? So in this example we had of salt water and of sand water, which is not a solution, but of salt water it would be salt as the solute, because that's what we're mixing into the solvent, and then the solvent would be water, because that is what what was serving as our base that we were mixing into, basically. So again, salt is the solute. In salt water, it's what's being mixed in, and water would be the solvent, which kind of accepts the solute particles. So you want to know all the basic parts of a solution. What is the solute? Again, that's what we're mixing in, and what the solvent is, and that's what we're mixing the stuff into. So the same thing if we had sugar that we mix into water, we could dissolve sugar into water, and the sugar would be the solute, and the water would be the solvent. So again, the solvent is just whatever accepts the particles, and the particles that we mix in, those are the solute. So that's it for this lesson, and we're going to talk about some calculations with solutions in the next video. Thank you.